Marshmellow. You have joined us on Megan and Caitlin's cooking show. Yes, well, we are making the most high-calorie
sandwich you will ever have.
get to experience.
First, you're going to take some marshmallow flat and put it on a sandwich. Use that for the peanut butter.
Make sure you put a lot. Remember, this is high calories.
We're going to get so fat.
I think you're going to have an eczema attack.
Anxiety.
Eczema?
It's a skin disease. Am I in it too? Can you see
Are we
me?
both in it?
I'm not in it.
Come on, I can get closer.
Am I in it now? Okay, good.
Both of us?
Yeah. Okay, we better be. Okay.
I'll move it back some.
Okay, so marshmallow on a sandwich. Okay. Second, oh, I grabbed some. You're going to take the knife, stick it in the peanut butter, and put it on the second loaf of bread. Start flipping these.
Okay. I will do this while
Don't
Megan
put a lot on mine.
is...
I hate peanut butter, so stop. Don't put like a whole bunch on mine. Oh, nice, Jessie, you farted.
Now it's just the chair.
You positive about that?
Peanut butter makes your throat feel weird.
Okay, I think that's good.
I like a lot of jelly more than
I
peanut butter.
love jelly.
Same here. So delicious. Is that good for you?
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, next what we're going to do is we're breaking up little Hershey bars and putting them on top of the peanut butter. Okay,
Yum.
put those.
Wait, can
Okay,
I have a
4, and then
sandwich
here's
too?
We'll make one for you later. That's yours. Okay.
Watch it be so nasty.
Watch it be mega good. Okay. Last, what you're gonna do?
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6.
6.
Mine's all nice and even. I wouldn't make it all messed up. What?
Yeah, one more.
Okay. That's what you're gonna do. Take this chocolate sauce and pour it over your marshmallows. Nice going, Ace. That's so good.
Really good.
Okay. It's my time to the bar.
Dang, fatty much?
Okay. And put it all together, and you save you more at room store. Okay. Then you got your nice, delicious looking sandwich. You can take a bite at the same time. 1, 2. That one's been pretty good. If you want to get fat and gain weight, I would try using this sandwich.